okay, cool, that's it for me.
Whip, body, whip, got it, chop, on it, whip, body, whip, got it, chop, on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to be installing a braided unit, you guys. So today's unit comes from BestHairBuy. They were kind enough to send over one of their twist units. I did call it a braided unit, my fault. But this one actually is twist. Here's the cute bag. So here it is. It's like a flat twist out unit. I have it in a color, I think it's, what color is this? I think it's like a 1B30 type color, so it kind of fades off into a lighter brown. As you can see here, it has a little bit of a reddish brown tone to it, and then the top of it's just a little bit darker. It does come with a bunch of lace to make this unit look extremely natural. It has a 13x5 lace, and it is a glueless unit. I am going to use some spray today to install it. I'm going to use this olive oil super hold fix it spray. And this unit is 28 inches long. So let's go ahead and get this unit installed. And of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then follow me on my socials. They're in my screen right here, and then they're in my description bar below as well. I wanted to make sure that I left like no makeup on my forehead area, since I knew I was going to be putting on a unit with lace. It just works a lot better, blends a lot better if you put your wigs on without any makeup there. So I kind of tried to leave it empty and open on purpose. And of course I put like a little bronzer there, which is why you see the color difference there. So don't judge, honey. I know it's there. I put it there on purpose. I did it like that on purpose because once I get the unit on, it'll make a huge difference. I was considering doing the ball cap method today, but it takes so much more work, and I'm not willing to do all of that work right now. But once you actually do the ball cap method, it's like flawless. I feel like it makes installs so flawless. This one is a lot more yellow. Not mad at it. So this actually looks really blended and really good right now, but I'm going to go in with just a little bit of powder just to lighten it up just a little bit. But honestly, I mean, she already looks like scalp. I'm just gonna go in on the front areas just a little bit, just to make it a little bit extra blended. Using 2 powders, I'm just gonna switch between the two. I have my MAC NC50, and then I also have this Fit Me powder in 375. Make sure I give you guys like a full view of this unit so you can see exactly how long it is. I'm zooming back like real far so I can see where she sits. It sits like at my waist. So if I was to stand, you see how long she is. Very, very long. The color is super duper pretty. This is what the lace is looking like. I went a little ham on the baby hairs, as you can obviously tell. You can see my wig cap just a tad bit, which is why I say the ball cap method will be a really good idea to do. But the lace is like the perfect tint ever. It literally blended into the skin so perfect. Like, your slit can't even detect the lace if it wasn't for my cap underneath. This would literally look like scalp. Best hair buy, you probably outdid yourself. This will also be like really cute with some of those jewel pieces. Unfortunately, I had some, but I lost them. But imagine this with some jewel pieces in it. That would be really, really cute. I'm going to pull out some information about the unit. So like I said, it's a 13x5 lace cap that you get here in the front. This one is box braided cornrow, so it is some twist that you can see here. Very pretty. The color is 1B/30. It's a 28-inch long unit. Very lightweight to spray some holding gel, shall we call it, just to make sure it stays secure. And then if I would have done that honestly and just did like the baby hairs, it would have stayed in place, I'm sure, because once I put the unit on, it felt very secure to my head. It didn't feel like it was gonna budge or slide or move or anything like that. And then it also just fits really well. As far as the cap sizing, I didn't do the adjustable straps, y'all, but I do feel like I do have like more space if I wanted to make it a little bit tighter. You guys let me know what you think of this unit in the comment section below. It is super duper cute. Pricing wise, let's get to the price because that's important as well, right? So this unit ranges right now for $125, which is really, really good, you guys. It's a good price because think about how long this unit is going to last. You're not going to wear it every single day, and even if you do, you can still take really good care of it by just wearing it throughout the day and then taking it off at night and putting it back on the next time you decide to wear it. It's going to last a good while. The lace that you get a realistic looking lace, so it just blends into the skin perfectly. You're not having to do a whole lot once you put it on. You could really put it on and go if you wanted to, because you don't necessarily have to have the baby hairs if you don't want to. They put a lot of work into this unit, obviously, to make it look so realistic. So $125, I would definitely pay for that out of my pocket because it's such a realistic looking unit. It looks like I really sat down in someone's chair and got my hair braided or got my hair twisted. I'll also turn around and give you guys like a 360 view just so you can see what the back of the unit looks like as well. Another recommendation I would make is, I know that some like hairdressers, and please correct me if I'm wrong if you're a hairdresser out there, but I've witnessed it like on videos and personally getting my hair done as well. They'll put mousse on your hair just in case, just to like make any like extra flyaways lay down as well. So the type of texture hair that this is, I'm pretty sure you could probably put some mousse on it as well, just to make sure that if you have any pieces that start to like flick up, you know, fly away, like sometimes braided hair does, you can go ahead and wipe that down and just pat it down, put your little wrap cap, satin cap on, and then it'll be set in place to go. So I really like how this looks today, so I'm about to wear this unit out, okay? So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'm gonna have a direct link there for you to be able to make your purchase. I would rate this unit a good 10 out of 10, and I haven't given a unit a 10 out of 10 in a long time, but that's just how easy it was for me to put this unit on. I really love when I don't have to do a whole lot of work to units and they just blend perfectly. That's it for me. Once that happens, I'm like, okay, cool, this is it. So 10 out of 10, definitely highly recommend for you to try it. I want to say thank you again to Best Hair Buy for providing this unit. If y'all got any questions about this unit, let me know in the comment section below and I will answer it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.